great addition in this release of DecoNetwork is the new Product Filter Widget, which allows your consumer to browse and filter by attributes like size, color, brand, and available decoration processes. Let's take a look at how to enable this new feature. From our admin section, we'll go ahead and open up the page editor by clicking Edit Website, Website Pages. Once inside the page editor, we'll click into the blank product page from our Pages tab. In my case, I currently have a single column layout, so I'll need to go into the row settings and turn on a side column to drop in the filter widget. I can take the new filter widget from the Widgets tab and drop it right into that new column. The filter widget allows you to make slight adjustments, like relabeling a section or changing the font of the headings. In my case, I'm going to relabel manufacturers to brands. So I'll click the format and I'll relabel that to brand. Let's go ahead and publish this change. Now let's take a look at the site and see this new feature in action. From the site, I'll open up the blank products page. The new filter widget is available here on the left-hand side column, and I can easily filter to see only products available in size medium, available in a red color, and that offer screen printing. You'll notice that the preview images update to show the selected color filter. In addition to the attributes, you also have the ability to enable the text filter to search for keywords like cotton. And just like that, you've made it super easy and simple for your consumer to find the right product.